Alex here from Vital Health NHP. Me and Sophie, we are looking forward to see you at the workshop at the Kavamba Center the 1st of February at 5:30 p.m. for a basketball workshop, how to heal and perform at your best naturally. We will be talking about digestion system, how to increase your energy naturally and have less energy to digest and more energy to perform. Mind and body connection, how important it is to be connected to get switch on or off the right muscle that you really need to perform. And muscle speaking, which muscles are actually the most important to perform. You will be surprised. And mindset, big role that is playing on our daily life, health and performance. The way we do one thing, we do everything. So the importance of what you do off the court. We are very excited. Click on the link or send us a private message for more info and book your spot. I'll see you 5:30 p.m. 1st of February, Kavamba Center, Byron Bay. Ciao.